These TikTok videos go viral every single time. People are creating an abundance of these videos daily, racking up an enormous number of views and making money effortlessly. In this video, I'm going to reveal an excellent niche that still doesn't have much competition and is very easy to make, and that is the marble races niche. This niche is perfect for those looking to create engaging content with minimal effort. Additionally, I'll reveal the secrets behind the immense profitability of these videos and explore alternative ways you can earn from them. But first, let's examine the potential of these videos. Take a look at this account brimming with numerous videos that have over 1,000 views each. Now let me unveil the staggering earnings each of these videos has accumulated through the creativity program. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's unravel the mystery behind the TikTok marble races videos that generate substantial wealth. These videos consist of an entertaining race between two famous characters who must overcome various obstacles to reach the finish line. The twist is that the character in the lead sings a well-known song with their voice generated by AI. This unique combination makes the videos both entertaining and highly engaging for viewers. The blend of competition and music keeps the audience hooked and eager to see more. Alright, let's dive right in and embark on this exciting journey. The first step will be to download the app we will use to create the marble races. The app is called Simple Marble Race, and you can find the download link in the description of this video. Once inside the app, you will see a menu like this. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Then go to Editor, click on Marbles, and customize the marbles you will use for the video. In my case, I'm going to create a SpongeBob marble by putting an image of him on the marble. It's a simple process, and it adds a lot of personality to your races. You can be as creative as you like with the customization using images of popular characters, sports teams, or even custom designs. Don't forget to save it. Next, I'll make a plankton marble by repeating the same process. You can create as many custom marbles as you want, each with different images and themes. This allows for endless variations and keeps your content fresh and exciting. The next step is to create the level. To do this, click on Start Race, go to Single Race, then Individual Classic, and choose the marbles you created earlier. The next step is to select the obstacles for the race. The app offers a variety of obstacles to choose from, each adding a unique challenge to the race. I recommend using a total of 6 obstacles so that the video lasts about 1 minute. This duration is ideal for TikTok as it keeps the audience engaged without being too long. When selecting obstacles, consider using a mix of easy and challenging ones to make the race more dynamic. Then click on Start, and all you have to do is record your phone screen while the marbles compete to see who reaches the finish line first. Make sure to capture all the exciting moments and close finishes. You can also experiment with different camera angles and perspectives to make the video more visually appealing. Third step is to create the voices for the characters. For this, I recommend Jammable. In my opinion, it has the best AI voices for covers. As you can see on the screen, it has a multitude of voices of famous characters from a Minecraft villager to the President of the United States, Donald Trump. You can find the link to this AI in the description below. In my case, I'm going to use the voices of SpongeBob and Plankton. The AI will ask you to paste the link of the song you want your characters to sing. I chose Treat You Better by Shawn Mendes. To avoid copyright issues, I recommend using a cover of the song you want to use. This way, it won't get flagged for copyright. This process is simple and fun, and it really brings your characters to life. The voice generation is quick and produces high-quality audio that sounds very realistic. Here is the result.
I know I can treat you better than he can, and not equal like you.
Now, we are at the final step before our video comes to life. It's time to edit all these elements in CapCut. This is where we bring everything together to create a cohesive and entertaining video. We will add the video of the race between the two marbles, and then add the voices of our characters, trimming them so that only the voice of the leading marble is heard. This will help a lot in maintaining higher viewer retention, as it keeps the focus on the competition. Adding text overlays and sound effects can also enhance the video. You can highlight key moments and add dramatic music to increase the excitement. CapCut offers a wide range of editing tools that allow you to fine-tune your video, making it as professional as possible. You can also add transitions and effects to make the video flow smoothly from one scene to the next. It's time to watch our video. Export it, and you'll see a result similar to this. This could be so different.
Better that you can't out. Stop.
sucker, you say you'll be true. I just wanna give you the love that you're missing.
And baby, just to wake up with you would be everything I need, and this could be so different. Tell me what you
Want me to do? I know I can treat you better than he can, and none like
You deserve some gentleman. Tell me why we wasted time on you, wasted fun.
you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than you can.
Tell me what you want me to do. I know I can treat you better. Then if you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources mentioned in this video.